A Golden Valley police officer was fired after an investigation found that she shared private personnel data and made racially biased comments.
City leaders and the police chief vowed changes will be made to be more inclusive. Community members are calling for the same. Caroline Cummings reports.
A months-long investigation by an outside law firm hired by the city led to the termination of Golden Valley police officer Kristen Hoffling this summer, though the report was made public this week. The probe sought in March after allegations surfaced of a toxic workplace culture and the unauthorized distribution of private personnel data. The report said Hoffling made racist and offensive comments, like suggesting Black Americans, quote, don't work, during one discussion about the wealth gap. Investigators say Hoffling also improperly recorded private meetings with city staff, including at least one focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion. 7 other unnamed officers were also part of the investigation. All but one of the 8 investigated remain on the force. But a city spokeswoman said 12 officers have left the department since the investigation began in March. She did not say if they were dismissed or left voluntarily. In a statement, the city manager said, quote, the independent investigation was necessary to bring clarity to the allegations of misconduct, hold employees accountable, and have a better understanding of the systemic issues that harm the community trust in policing. City officials in a statement said the investigation prompted data practices training for all employees and that they're, quote, continuing efforts to eliminate racist attitudes and behaviors. In Golden Valley, Caroline Cummings, WCCO 4 News.
WCCO tried to reach Hoffling through the union representing the department. A spokesperson said she would not be commenting at this time.